Many beginners struggle with choosing the right soldering iron, often leading to frustration and wasted money on tools that just don't fit their needs. That's why we've narrowed down the top 5 soldering irons available on Amazon in 2026, each offering unique features to help you tackle your DIY electronics projects with ease and efficiency. Stay tuned for our #1 pick, which might just surprise you with its versatility and value. Remember to check the links in the description for current prices. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful reviews. Soldering Iron Kit. The Soldering Iron Kit is an excellent choice for those just stepping into the world of electronics. This kit includes a 60-watt soldering iron, solder wire, a stand, and even a cleaning sponge, making it perfect for beginners. Its lightweight design allows for easy handling, while the heat-up time is impressively quick, getting you started in no time. Ideal for small repairs and hobby projects, this kit covers a broad spectrum of basic needs. However, the iron may not handle heavy-duty projects well, so it's better suited for lighter tasks. WEP 926 LED V3 soldering station, 130W max soldering iron. If you're looking for a more advanced option, the WEEP 926 LED V3 soldering station is a standout choice. This 130W soldering iron heats up rapidly and includes an adjustable temperature control, making it suitable for a variety of soldering tasks. It comes with a built-in LED display that shows the current temperature and allows for precise adjustments. Its sturdy design offers stability during use, making it great for extended projects. However, it may be more than what a casual hobbyist needs, as its capabilities can be overwhelming for absolute beginners. PINECIL. The PINECIL is a unique portable soldering iron that emphasizes convenience without sacrificing performance. Perfect for beginners who value portability, this battery-operated soldering iron provides flexibility for on-the-go repairs and projects. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during long sessions, while the quick heat-up time helps you get started almost immediately. The PINECIL is also equipped with a smart temperature control feature to avoid overheating. A light drawback is that the power might not be as strong as traditional soldering stations, making it less ideal for heavy-duty tasks. YIHUA 947 360 W Soldering Iron Kit. Adjustable. The YIHUA 947 360 WS Soldering Iron Kit is a fantastic blend of functionality and user-friendliness, making it one of the best picks for beginners. This kit features an adjustable temperature control that ranges from 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, allowing for a variety of soldering tasks. It also includes a comprehensive set of accessories, such as different soldering tips and a cleaning sponge, making it ready to go right out of the box. Many users appreciate its reliable performance and overall value. However, the station's footprint can be slightly larger, so it may require more workspace than some other options. Soldering Iron Kit. At the top of our list is the Soldering Iron Kit, which delivers exceptional value and versatility for beginners. This kit typically includes multiple soldering tips, a stand, and solder wire, making it an all-in-one solution for anyone new to soldering. The iron heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which is crucial for producing clean, strong joints. Users have found this kit perfect for various projects, from electronics repairs to crafting. The only downside is that the quality of the included accessories may vary, leading some to upgrade their tools over time. Thanks for tuning in to our countdown of the best soldering irons for beginners in 2026. Each of these options has its unique strengths, ensuring that whether you're fixing a simple circuit or crafting a new project, there's a tool for you. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices and grab your perfect soldering companion today. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and DIY tips.